Hello, everybody. Welcome into your Talking Fitchburg headlines on this Tuesday, September 5th, 2023. I'm Jeremy Krause. Hope you had a great long weekend. Glad you're back with us here for your TF headlines on this Tuesday, first week in September. Here we go with good news and some way to go after those hot temperatures with the splash pad. Splash pad season was extended. That's right, extended through this Friday, September 8th. Due to this warm weather, splash pad season gets extended. Oh yeah, cool off with a visit to the splash pad at McKee Farms Park, 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. daily through Friday, September 8th. Refuse and recycling update to tell you about. A couple of things here. First off, yard waste update for you. Please be aware that we will need to strictly enforce the existing policy that plastic bags must not be tied shut going forward. Plastic bags that are tied shut will not be collected. This has always been a policy, but hasn't really been enforced. Now they're enforcing it. Please help us out by making sure that those yard waste bags are not tied up, or they will be left right where you set them. So that is one update for you. Another one here is that this week your service will be delayed by one day due to the pickup days because of Labor Day. So it's being picked up one day later because of Labor Day. Try to put those two words together during the week, the 4th through the 9th. So if you normally get picked up on Friday, it'll be picked up on Saturday. If it's picked up on Monday, it'll be picked up today. You get the point. Got any questions, you can check in with Caterer. They got the info you need and can answer any questions on refuse, recycling, and pickup. Fitchburg Senior Center has a new caterer. It started today. Hopefully you try it out, their new meal. If you haven't, well, here's the info. Starting September 1st, Atlantis Valley Foods, LLC, became the new Dane County Senior Nutrition Program caterer. This is a family-owned and operated business located right here in southern Wisconsin, Cottage Grove, Wisconsin, to be exact. Those meals start today. So if you're getting Meals on Wheels or coming down to the Senior Center, you'll be able to try one of these meals at your leisure. Fitchburg participants in the United Nations Sustainable Development Framework with UW students. It's a big title. A lot of information here. Let's dive into this one. At the June 2023 Mayor's Innovation Project meeting for new mayors in Madison, Wisconsin, the Lori DePete Brown, a member of the UW teaching facility in the School of Human Ecology, presented a rapid approach to enhancing city plans using United Nations Sustainable Development Framework. Peter Brown invited applications from mayors to present to be a part of the small cohort of cities paired to human ecology class over the summer. The city of Fitchburg was one of 5 cities selected. The student group working with Fitchburg prepared a report that focused on areas they viewed through a sustainability development lens. This lens promotes equity and well-being integrates environmental, social, and economic goals, and creates global to local connection. The students analyze the city's comprehensive plan, agricultural plan, and healthy neighborhoods initiative strategic plan, using the sustainable development goals and identified strengths, priorities, areas for improvement, providing a 360 analysis. The students determined that 3 primary priorities of housing, transportation, and land use were highlighted. Within these priorities, the report encourages the city to continue to advance affordable housing, improving infrastructure for walking and biking, preserving agricultural land, and creating a city center. And if you want to find out more from this study, you can check out this online right now. It's at our website, fitchburgwi.gov, to see what the report said. And thank you for everybody who participated in this and given us some great information and feedback. We certainly appreciate it. And finally, looking back here at let me jump there. There we go. A bumblebee spotting. Check this out. This was at the Fitchburg Public Library, and it says here they spotted royalty at the library. One of the wonderful master gardeners working on the pollination garden spotted this queen bee. It's an Easter bumblebee. Have a great day, everybody.